In Seattle, Washington, repair of the world's largest TBM is underway. The plan, to remove the 5-story tall cutterhead for repairs.
We're here today doing what we call the big pick, lifting the 2,000-ton cutter drive unit. The cutter head has one piece out of the TBM access shaft. Right now it's just down below the surface, so it should be start to be appearing at the surface before too long.
Hitachi Zosen hired Mammoet to build the crane that will be used to lift Bertha's pieces out of the pit. The modular lift tower is 116 feet wide, 90 feet long, and 105 feet tall.
Well, this gantry has a total capacity of 2,200 ton. It's equipped with 6 900-ton strand jack units. Each strand jack is equipped with 54 strand jack wires, which have a length of approximately 120 feet. There's about 7 miles of wire in total. The complete lifting crew contains 20 people to execute the lift.
Previously, an access shaft was constructed in front of the TBM, which was moved forward into the bottom of the shaft. Working with Mammoet, Seattle Tunnel Partners lifted 3 portions of the TBM's front shield to the surface for repairs. The 4th and final piece is a 2,000-ton section that includes the cutter head drive motors and the main bearing that will be replaced during the repair phase.
What we did is we applied the load in 20% increments. So we had the modular lift tower take 20% of the load, then 40, then 60, then 80, until it was holding the full load. That was our test load. Well, once it's completely up, then we rotate it horizontally, and then the modular lift tower starts moving south. There's a frame there just south of the access shaft that the cutter head and cutter drive unit will be placed on.
It went very smooth. It's a very smooth operation. We didn't have any hiccups with the machine getting stuck behind pieces of metal. It broke free before we anticipated. The next step is taking off the drive unit. And that's why the rigging is still attached on both sides. So we will take that off. So we detach it from the cutter head, and that will be positioned on top of that pad over there on the front.
This first milestone is very, very important. This is one of the most critical elements of the whole TBM repair process, getting these pieces to the surface, especially the large piece that we're lifting today. We'll do the disassembly in April. We'll do the reassembly in May, lower these same pieces back into the shaft. And then in June, we'll be reconnecting everything. And then July, a period of testing and commissioning, and resuming tunneling in August. That's our target schedule.
In Seattle, Washington, Sterling Noreen for Tunnel Talk.